AI and the surprising key to adopting a 4-day workweek. Organizations worldwide are increasingly experimenting with flexible work arrangements as workers demand better work-life balance and well-being. One promising alternative that has gained attention is the 4-day workweek, condensing a standard full-time workload into 4 days instead of the traditional 5. D. Souso et al. 2022. Green, 2021. Research suggests a 4-day model could boost productivity, job satisfaction, and reduce employee burnout and turnover. Allocation et al. 2021. De Menezes and Kelleher. 2017. At the same time, many leaders remain hesitant to adopt, citing concerns over impacts to business operations and costs. However, a surprising development has emerged that may hold the key to easing adoption of shorter workweeks at scale: artificial intelligence. AI? Today we will explore how AI reveals itself as an unexpected facilitator for 4-day workweek implementation, based on academic literature and practical industry examples. Benefits of 4-day workweeks. Research finds consistently positive outcomes associated with condensed workweek arrangements. A substantial body of literature confirms improvements in employee well-being, satisfaction, and commitment when working fewer hours. Golden, 2015, Anthropic, 2021. Shorter schedules allow for better recovery time, less stress and burnout, and greater work-life balance. De Menezes and Kelleher, 2017. Productivity gains have also been observed, as individuals are able to focus more intensely over fewer days. Allocation et al. 2021. Notably, many companies experimenting with 4-day models report strong results. New Zealand trust company Perpetual Guardians saw employee engagement and well-being scores surge by 20% after introducing a 32-hour work week, with no pay cuts. Golden, 2015. Another prominent example is Microsoft Japan, which closed early every Friday from 2019 to boost morale and reduce electricity use, ultimately finding a 40% jump in productivity. Golden, 2015. Such cases demonstrate the potential for 4-day arrangements to enhance business outcomes as well as individual wellness. Challenges with broad adoption. While the benefits seem clear, wide-scale implementation of shorter schedules faces certain obstacles. Primary concerns for many leaders center around coverage of essential operations and costs. Anthropic, 2021. Critically examining workflow processes exposes inefficiencies, challenging to realign under compressed hours. Traditional methods also rely heavily on employee presence, making alternative staffing difficult across functions like customer service. De Menezes and Kelleher, 2017. If not carefully planned, transitions could disrupt services or productivity in the near term. Leaders additionally worry over rising labor expenses, as weekly hours are concentrated, but total work remains the same. Anthropic, 2021. Supporting existing operations with fewer paid hours presents cost and coverage challenges. Golden, 2015. Significant investment may be required in adjusting infrastructure, processes, and technology to derive long-term benefits from 4-day models at scale. For many firms, the perceived risks of disruption currently outweigh potential rewards. How AI mitigates adoption challenges. As automation technologies advance rapidly, a key role for AI in enabling compressed schedules is emerging through optimized workflows and distributed labor. When thoughtfully applied across functions, AI can address core objections leaders cite around implementing broader 4-day arrangements. Automating tasks to reduce hours needs. AI and robotics automate repetitive, routine jobs, freeing human workers for more engaging, higher-level roles. Anthropic, 2021. Academic studies highlight the potential of AI to streamline processes across vast domains from customer Service to Manufacturing, Brynjolfsson and McAfee, 2014, Acemoglu and Restrepo, 2018. Forrester Research forecasts AI will generate $2.90 trillion in business value and 6.2 billion hours reclaimed from employees globally by 2025, MAR 2018, with automation reducing necessary work hours. AI makes compressed schedules more achievable as fewer human resources are required for coverage. Optimizing workflow efficiency through analytics. AI-powered predictive analytics also optimize workflows and resource allocation by pinpointing inefficiencies. MAR 2018, by analyzing patterns in huge datasets. AI identifies waste and bottlenecks, recommends remedies, and tracks outcomes. Chi et al. 2018. Examples include adjusted shift schedules informed by demand forecasts, optimized maintenance routines based on predictive failure detection, and targeted customer communications using sentiment analysis. Manica et al. 2017. Such optimization yields higher productivity from fewer total hours by streamlining processes intelligently based on data insights. Distributing workloads through virtual agents. Conversational AI in the form of chatbots and virtual agents distributes workloads across digital labor to fill staffing needs flexibly. Anthropic 2021. AI-powered customer service bots field basic queries remotely, freeing human agents for complex issues. Robotic process automation handles routine paperwork and data entry tasks around the clock. MAR 2018. Virtual technologies expand service coverage beyond traditional hours at minimal marginal cost. AI substitutes make compressed schedules more feasible by expanding effective labor resources. By addressing businesses' core challenges intelligently through automation, optimization, and digital labor distribution, AI emerges as an unexpected key to unlocking 4-day models company-wide. Industry applications of AI for 4-day workweeks. This section applies these AI capabilities across real industries to demonstrate their practical impact, facilitating shorter workweek adoption at scale. Healthcare in hospitals. AI streamlines patient intake and records management. Computer vision automates medical imaging analysis to reduce physician workloads. Menyika et al. 2017. Robotic surgery tools extend operating capacity. In clinics, AI chatbots and virtual nurses handle basic patient inquiries remotely to expand service hours cost-effectively. AI-driven predictive maintenance and performance optimization also reduce equipment downtime. Combined, these applications free clinical staff for more engaging care responsibilities, supporting compressed schedules across healthcare providers. Manufacturing. Factory robots automate physical, repetitive production tasks, reducing necessary plant worker hours. MAR 2018. AI-powered quality inspection and predictive maintenance optimize equipment uptime. Supply chain analytics minimize waste and bottlenecks. In offices, AI automates routine paperwork and assists engineers with complex simulations. These applications boost output from fewer total labor hours, addressing concerns over compressed schedule impacts to production volumes. Data insights also minimize schedule adjustment risks. Customer service AI chatbots and virtual agents field high volumes of basic service queries 24/7 at lower cost than human agents. Anthropic 2021. For complex issues, AI recommendation systems empower agents with personalized, data-driven guidance. Back-office automation and predictive analytics optimize resource allocation across channels. These virtual technologies expand effective staffing flexibly to maintain coverage even with compressed schedules. Advanced automation also cuts total hours needs to reduce coverage concerns. Retail, computer vision-powered shelf monitors and inventory management automate restocking workflows, Chui et al. 2018. AI predicts demand and recommends optimized assortments. Chatbots and kiosks assist customers remotely. In offices, virtual assistants handle purchasing, accounting, and logistics. Robotics automate warehouses and last-mile fulfillment. Combined, these applications boost productivity and flexibility from fewer total worker hours, addressing brick-and-mortar retailers' coverage challenges to 4-day shifts. Conclusion: by intelligently automating tasks, optimizing processes, and distributing workloads virtually, AI emerges as an unexpected facilitator for businesses to adapt successful 4-day workweek models company-wide. Academic research confirms compressed schedules drastically improve employee well-being, satisfaction, and retention with minimal impacts to outputs when carefully planned. However, practical concerns over coverage, costs, and workflow disruptions have slowed broader adoption. As illustrated across industries, AI addresses these challenges by streamlining operations, eliminating waste, and flexibly expanding effective staffing. Automation, analytics, and virtual technologies substantially reduce necessary human hours while boosting productivity through optimized, data-driven workflows. When thoughtfully applied to functions from healthcare to retail, AI makes compressed schedules more operationally and financially viable at scale for the first time. Rather than a risk, AI is revealed as an opportunity and surprising key for leaders to reap rewards of happier, healthier workforces while maintaining business outcomes. By intelligently mitigating logistical objections, AI opens the door for compressed workweek models to spread widely. For workers demanding better life-work balance post-pandemic, and companies aiming to attract and retain top talent, AI unlocking the potential of 4-day work weeks presents a win-win prospect worth serious consideration. While automation technologies are still emerging, their transformative impact on workflow is undeniable and may hold the solution to adopt flexible schedules at last.